Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get a star hairpin in Avatar World. So if you want to add a cute accessory for your hair, for your character's hair, you can use the star hairpin and I'm going to show you how you can get it for free. So first you just need to head inside a school building, the school building on the map, and then you just need to find the music class. Head inside, and in here you'll find a student with a star hairpin like this. So you can just click on a student and just click or find the hairpin and make her. Okay, drop the hairpin, and now you can just grab it and put on your avatar like this. So that's how you can get a hairpin in Avatar World, a star hairpin. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on thanks.